car costs can stack up fast. But enjoying life on the open road doesn't mean you have to break the bank. Consumer Reports can help keep car costs down with these 4 tips. First, consider breaking up with your insurance company. It might seem like a big ordeal, but staying with the same company for too long can mean you're missing out on better rates. We recommend comparison shopping among multiple insurers every 2 to 3 years. Websites like The Zebra offers estimates from 18 to 35 insurers, depending on your state. Another insurance-saving tip: raise your collision comprehensive deductible. According to our recent analysis of billions of premiums nationwide, a 2-car family could chop $500 off its annual premium by raising its collision deductible to $500, up from $0. If you're looking to cut costs on a new car purchase, you might want to steer clear of in-car navigation systems. Why? Because most likely you already own a top-notch navigation tool sitting right in your pocket, your phone. More automakers are integrating Android Auto and Apple CarPlay software into their vehicles. Connect your phone with a USB cord or wirelessly to your car's infotainment system, and navigation and driving apps will appear on the car's infotainment screen. When finalizing a new car purchase, the dealer will likely recommend buying some tempting add-ons. We've said don't bother with these in the past, and we're sticking to it. We find VIN etching, fabric protection, paint sealant, rust proofing and undercoating, and extended warranties unnecessary and will save you a good chunk of cash if you simply and firmly say, no thanks. You'll drive off the lot prouder and richer. For more money-saving car tips, check out cr.org.